sometimes people are receiving Social Security disability benefits, and Social Security does a review and says, well, you were disabled, but you're not disabled anymore. So they turn off that person's benefits. And we will on occasion take some of those cases and help people out with them. For example, we took on a client here who had cancer, and she had gone through chemotherapy, and she had gone into remission, thankfully. But once she went into remission, Social Security said, you're not disabled anymore, even though she still had all these terrible side effects from the chemotherapy, and also lots of anxiety and depression issues that went along with having received cancer treatment and having been diagnosed with cancer. And so we were able to help her to get her benefits reinstated, to show Social Security, that just because a person's in remission, that doesn't mean that the effects of cancer are gone. It's really, it's not the end of the story. So yeah, Social Security disability is not necessarily something that you have to stay on forever. Sometimes people do improve, and Social Security does a continuing disability review where they say that you're no longer disabled, and you can fight that determination that you're no longer disabled, or maybe you agree that you're not disabled anymore, right? And you can go off of it, and if you become disabled at a later date, you can reapply for benefits. I also have people that they were disabled or are disabled, but they're able to go back to work, right? They find something that they can adjust to, and they find something else that they want to do. So with Social Security disability, even if you are receiving the benefit or while you're applying for the benefit, there are certain rules that allow you to be employed. You just can't be employed in a capacity that is above what's called SGA, or substantial gainful activity. And for 2020, that number is a little over $1,200 per month before taxes. But what I have to tell people, is that if you are working and you're making, $1,200, you really do need to kind of examine, are you going to be able to keep that up in the long run? Are you going to be able to sustain the work that you're doing? Because the closer that you are to actually, performing SGA or full-time work, the less it looks like you are, disabled under the Social Security rules. It's just something you have to examine.